I hope you are doing well. So, today I am going to start a new program in my channel. Yes, today I am going to start English program in my channel Taleem-o-Tarbiyat. So, are you ready? Do you want to learn English? Okay, so today we will start with alphabets. Yes, today we will start with alphabets. A B C. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. The letter is A, the sound is A, the word is aunt. The letter is B, the sound is B, the word is butterfly. The letter is C, the sound is K, the word is cat. The letter is D, the sound is D, the word is dog. The letter is E, the sound is E, the word is elephant. The letter is F, the sound is F, the word is frog. The letter is G, the sound is G, the word is goat. The letter is H, the sound is H, the word is horse. The letter is I, the sound is I, the word is ink. The letter is J, the sound is J, the word is jam. The letter is K, the sound is K, the word is kangaroo. The letter is L, the sound is L, the word is lion. The letter is M, the sound is M, the word is monkey. The letter is N, the sound is N, the word is nest. The letter is O, the sound is O, the word is octopus. The letter is P, the sound is P, the word is pig. The letter is Q, the sound is Q, the word is queen. The letter is R, the sound is R, the word is rabbit. The letter is S, the sound is S, the word is star. The letter is T, the sound is T, the word is turtle. The letter is U, the sound is the word is umbrella. The letter is V, the sound is V, the word is van. The letter is W, the sound is V, the word is watch. The letter is X, the sound is X, the word is X-ray. The letter is Y, the sound is U, the word is yo-yo. The letter is Z, the sound is Z, the word is zebra. A B B C K D D E F G G H H I J J K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Z, Z. So, I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and you will practice. I will see you soon with the next lesson. Till then, bye bye. Wait. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.